So I'm now with Adam at Greenman Garden Tools. So Adam, what have we got for the new season?
So this is a mini oscillating hoe or mini wiggle hoe. Wiggle hoe because it wiggles up and down, or oscillates because it oscillates. It's a great tool, one of my favourites in the range. We've had it a long handle for a long time, but we've made it a shorter one to work in raised beds and behind confined spaces.
Okay.
And it works just hovering below the soil surface, and the blade cuts the tip of the weed from the roots, and it works on a pull and a push. So it's really easy to use. It's self-sharpening, so zero maintenance, and all in all, a great little tool to have in your arsenal.
So do you design these tools, or?
Yeah, so I'm a fourth generation tool nerd. My great-grandfather made tools, and I've grown up smacking bits of metal for most of my life.
Right.
The oscillating tool is a weird one because I found it in my grandfather's shed. When he passed away, I inherited this whole pile of tools. I had no idea what they were for, and I'm asking around what it was and what it does, and I found out it's this oscillating tool all the way from Austria.
Oh, right.
And played with it, and then took it apart, and we worked with the people that make this.
Excellent. That's brilliant. Thanks very much.
Oh no, thank you.
So now I'm with Kendall at Greenman Tools. Kendall, what have we got here?
This is a range of sleeper brackets we've introduced earlier in the year. Traditionally, when people have been fixing sleepers into their house in the gardens, they would get a piece of timber, say 2x2, cut it into sections, dig a hole, put cement in, put the timber in, and then put the brackets up against it. But a much more quicker and simpler way now is this range of sleeper brackets. This one is 750mm long, which is designed to do double sleeper brackets.
Okay.
Then we've got a 440mm long one, which is designed for the single bracket. And again, simple way of installation is rather than digging a hole, you just hit it into the ground with a mallet, fix it through the screws into the sleeper. And if you've got a double, then again we do an internal one, which can be done when you've got the sleepers and you're doing a corner. Again, hit it into the ground, make sure it's straight, and fix it up. These are what we call
about to say, what were they made from?
These are made from steel, but they're post-galvanised.
Right.
Now, the advantage of post-galvanised is that we form it into this shape, drill all the holes, and then it's hot-dip galved, which will then give better protection on all the edges and all the holes into it. We also do them in brown, so you can actually have them matching the colour of your sleepers as well. Really simple to install. We also do a fixing plate, which here you just put against your sleepers. Again, you can just secure it in, and it holds the sleepers in place for you. And they're available in all builders merchants, agricultural stores across the country.
And are they branded separately from your other products?
Yeah, these are a range we call Sleep Secure by Eliza Tinsley. Eliza Tinsley and Greenman are the same company, just different divisions within it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you now, thanks.
So Adam, what else have we got for next year?
So the other exciting new stuff is our light range. We've got a range of spades and forks and hand trowels that we've made 40% lighter than our standard range. We haven't scrimped on any of the engineerings. They're still bomb-proof and built to last, but they're just a little bit lighter, a little bit shorter, shorter tines, shorter blades on the spade, just to make it easier to move in the garden. So if you've got mobility issues or weak wrists, and you just want a slightly lighter tool, this is the tool for you.
Excellent. And this is available through the usual outlets?
All the usual outlets. We do sell it online, but we'd always recommend you guys go to stores and pick them up, have a feel, because there's the right tool out for you somewhere.
Excellent. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks a lot.